When you really think about it, friends of the twins, your bed is your most important piece of furniture in your entire home. Y'all think about it. It's where you go to rest your body. It's where you go to rejuvenate your body. And it is where you go to heal your body. We use it and other intimate fabrics in our home day in and day out every single day. And if you really stop to think about all of the fine particles like dust mites and sweat and you really don't even want to think about it. This is the Fepo cordless mattress vacuum cleaner, and it comes with a HEPA filter. That is what captures all of those dust particles, about 99.9% of it. It also has an LED screen on the top. It detects what your dust level is, and it'll show you and tell you what it is while you're vacuuming. Now, it works just like a regular vacuum. It's really lightweight. It weighs about just a little bit under 3 pounds. I did mention intimate fabrics. That is mattress, and I consider my couches to be intimate fabrics also. Anywhere that I lay my head at is, something that is really personal and intimate to me. It works just like a regular vacuum, and you can use your vacuum cleaner to vacuum your mattress. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I do like the idea of having a vacuum that is specifically for my mattresses and or my couches. I mean, I like that. And don't get me wrong, it is not just specific to mattresses and couches. If you had an area of a rug that you needed to just say get up some pet dander, you could certainly use it for that. You saw earlier, it does come with the charging cord. When you get it, it is going to already be charged up. The battery has about a 27-minute battery life. But friends of the twins, that's a long time. Think about it. If you're just vacuuming like your mattress or your sofas, 27 minutes is a long battery life. When it's time to recharge it, it will charge up in about 2.5 hours. This cordless vacuum can help with allergies. Now, it's not going to solve your allergy problem, but what it will do is to decrease the amount of allergens that are on your mattress. Dust mites are microscopic. You can't even see them. But what they like to do, friends of the twins, this is the part that grosses me out. Y'all, they like to feed on human skin cells. And so, this is the amount of dust that I have gotten off this sofa in just this little short amount of time. And this is just this one little part of the sofa sectional. You might notice when you're vacuuming that you see light. That is actually a UVC light. Y'all, UVC light is a form of ultraviolet radiation. Friends of the twins, it's a germicide, and it's used a lot to disinfect things. Also, you have your 2 modes of vacuuming. One is eco mode. You can use eco mode for like your softer fabrics, maybe like a velvet. And then out here on this sofa, this is a linen blend, so I used boost mode. It's just a more powerful suction. This vacuum was actually tested by one of the editors from one of these news outlets, and she gave it favorable reviews. I'll have that article link for y'all down in the description box, as well as the link for the product.